Did you know that in certain states, the Department of Motor Vehicle, the DMV, is now sharing information about undocumented immigrants who are applying for driving licenses with ICE and immigration, resulting in people being detained and deported? Watch this video for more information. Hello everybody, and thanks for watching. My name is Jacob Sapochnick and I'm an immigration attorney based in San Diego, California. In this video, we'll talk about a recent trend that we see that DMV, Department of Motor Vehicles, sharing information with ICE and immigration about immigrants currently undocumented in the US. But before we talk about that, make sure if you're here for the first time, subscribe to our channel and get notified of videos that are coming every week. And also follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more videos about different topics. So this video I'm actually doing because it's a real case that I'm currently working on where we have a client that just retained us. And that person came to the US as a visitor, overstayed their visa for different reasons, and was currently trying to work on the paperwork. He was about to get married to his US citizen fiancé, and then a few days ago went to the local DMV, this is right here in California, in San Diego, to renew or to apply for a new driving license, and then obviously he wasn't able to show Social Security and he wasn't able to show legal status, so he just essentially filled an application but wasn't able to get a driving license at that time, and he left. 2 days later, he was, ICE police for immigration came to the house, to the address he left at the DMV at that time, and essentially took him, detained him, and now he's facing deportation proceedings. Obviously we're trying to facilitate the process of him getting married to his fiancé and trying to get him out of there. But this is something that, since that incident, we have two more incidents. One was another client of ours and another client of another attorney that happened the same situation. So we don't have a clear confirmation that DMV is necessarily sharing that information, but we know that ICE and immigration officials were able to acquire databases of names, not necessarily in legal ways, but they were able to acquire the database of names and addresses of people that were going to apply for a driving license but were not qualified for many reasons, sometimes because of their status, sometimes because of glitch in the Social Security, and that information was kept on DMV databases, and then ICE now has access to some of those records. And this happened in states like California, in Georgia, and also in Nevada, and maybe other states. So what is really important to understand here is if you are undocumented, if you are out of status, be very, very careful about, first of all, going to apply for a driving license, and second of all, if you had a driving license from the past, to go and renew it, because there could be a chance that your information will end up with ICE, and if you don't have legal status, they will end up coming to your house and try to detain you. Now, another thing is, two of these detentions that we are involved with happened illegally. ICE agents came to the house, they had no warrants. So remember, when they do come to the house, you have to make sure that they have a judicial warrant signed by a judge, and if not, you're not supposed to even open the door or let alone speak with them. So make sure that you know your rights. But once again, the purpose of this video is just to let people know that to be careful when applying for driving license or renewing them, because now it seems that ICE has information about that, and people could be detained and deported. And once again, if this does happen to you, remember that you do have rights, and if they do come to your home, they must have a judicial warrant, and that warrant must be signed by a judge, and your name should be on their warrant. Otherwise, you're not supposed to talk to them or let them into your home. So once again, we'll continue to work on this case to help with our client. We're going to try to see if we can get him out of bond, and also challenge the way he was apprehended and detained. But until now, wanted just to let you know, guys, that this is happening right now. Be careful out there. And any questions, any comments, let me know in the comment of this video below. Share this with somebody who may be interested in this. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in our next video.